Hi guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, but there's been a lot going on. So I hope you're all well, and I figured since we're all at home anyway, I would organize my spice drawer, which needed it. I We're not going out to eat very often, and so I have to cook more, and I can't find anything in this drawer. It's a disaster. I can't see what anything is, and it's just a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out of here. I'm going to sort through this to see what I need and what I can get rid of. And then hopefully I want to try to create some kind of organizational system in here because I know for a fact that I don't use most of these spices. I mean, I don't even know. I can't tell because I have to look down. I can't actually tell what a lot of this is. And then I'm going to get rid of things that shouldn't be in the spice drawer, like the coffee that's up in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is everything out of the drawer. I created categories for my spices, and then the stuff, so this stuff here has already been separated into categories based on how I'm going to use it. And then the stuff here on the left, this is everything that I'm getting rid of, which is about a third of the spices that I had in this drawer, which is crazy. So it's just, I'm still surprised that I had that much. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out how to divide the drawer and then put the stuff that I'm keeping back into the drawer. Okay, so here is everything separated into categories. I had to DIY those dividers because I couldn't get ones that would fit, that wouldn't break my drawer because they were just, yeah, they weren't working. So I created these. I have the materials that I used on my website, journeytowardssimple.com, but this is what it looks like. The stuff that I use the most is right in the middle there, those the Simply Organic, which is right in the middle, and they have the green tops. And then the stuff on the left is the bigger bottles and jars of spices, and the stuff on the right is, you know, things like miso paste and baking powder and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like now. I can find things. I'm much happier. I got rid of a third of what was in here, which is great. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will be posting a lot more in the next few weeks. So I'll see you soon. Bye.